This might fall off in a minute, but don't worry. It's okay if it falls. Watch yourself now. Man, now what I tell you, but get back. Bang, bang, get. So, you wanna play games, huh? I'll show you something. What? You missed me. You missed me. Wait. Whoop, 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 whoop. Go, no. Don't hurt me. No. You got me. You got me. See, yeah. Just gonna move. I'm scared. I wanna move. Made it. Try to keep making it to the middle and keep making it out. Just... Ow. Oh. Oh crap. You're very bad. You. My knuckle. Hey, I just found a double barrel pin shooter. Look at this crap. I forgot to show you guys. Watch out for that. Look, hey, it's got two barrels. No. I'm trying to grab it when it comes around. It's gonna be fun. Hey, watch this, guys. Bruh, come on. Oh, I need this very badly. So I'm just gonna need to put this on. Ah! Ha! Ow! I just want to put a hat on, please. Okay, see, like I made this. My fingertips. Okay, see, I'm just look. All I'm trying to do. Yo, that was scary as crap. I just want to put on my hat, please. That's all I ask. I mean, I want to put on the hat. See, there's this. Ow! You're hitting the hat. My hand. See, it comes really close to my chin right here. You almost got me. Whoop. See, it comes really close. That's it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. You wanna play games? Alright, I got you. I got you. Watch. Let me just get it. My soft skin. My soft skin, man. It hurts. Okay. Okay, what I was gonna do is I was gonna take the scissors. My arm. Ow. So all I had. Keep it up. Ow, please. Ow, ow, my foot, my foot, ow, my foot, got my foot. Ow, God. Help. Life alert. Help. Ah, crap. I'm only 15. I don't have life alert. Hey, you know what? They should do a life alert for, 15-year-olds. That would help a little bit. Help, I'm falling. I can't get up. I got 2 legs. I can get up. I got 2 legs. I can... Ow, that hurt. It's better. Oh, God. Ow! I got it out. Ow! What's up? I can't feel my fingers. My fingers. My fingers. Ow! Why are you gonna hit somebody? Ow! Okay. Okay, guys. I'll see you later. Okay, just... You can't get me. Ooh, you see that? Okay. I can't feel my arm anymore. I'm gonna quit this job. Watch yourself now. Watch yourself, alright? But get back now. Okay. I'll see you guys next time. Oh God, I forgot to turn the ceiling fan off. Oh. Ew, it's in the middle. It's like moving. It was, okay, I gotta go, guys, before this is disgusting. Zach says bye.